Business planning is the foundation for all successful FTC teams. Whether it's having enough capital to travel to competitions or ordering enough parts for your robot, financial organization is critical. For WiredCats Gen 3, we constantly try to find new ways to manage our money. Sponsors and grants are a great way to gain financial support for the program and connect with industry-level engineers as well as local companies. Our biggest sponsor is Motorola Solutions, a company that has an office near our school. Our team has a mentor from this company who strives to forge personal connections with each student and introduce them to the concepts of engineering. 10022 always tries to maintain these kinds of connections with all our sponsors, whether this is through participating in their community events, going to present to them, or seeking their opinion on a decision we are making. Additionally, every year we constantly try to reach out to new captains and apply for new grants. When reaching out to these companies, we want to sell ourselves as something they want to invest in. To do this, we maintain multiple social medias, including a website, a Twitter, and an Instagram. Using these, we not only spread the message of STEM, but also communicate with potential and current sponsors. In addition to these medias, we have a store where we can sell our team merchandise. A successful business model, however, cannot just depend on the generosity of companies. Teams also need to go out into the world and find ways to create their own cash flow. This is where an organized booster club comes into play. A booster club is an organization of parents, mentors, and coaches that assist the team in their fundraising and money management needs. To upkeep good communication between the booster club and the team, we have a student representative at the booster club meetings. Throughout the year, these students make sure to update the parents on possible orders and fundraising opportunities.
While fundraising during a pandemic can be difficult, we have found efficient workarounds that show potential to be extremely profitable. One of these was our Double Good Popcorn fundraiser, where team members created their own virtual popcorn store and shared it with friends and family. Out of the over $10,000 worth of popcorn sold, 50% of the sales went to our program. Another revenue stream that we are trying to develop this year comes from CTE certifications. Every student on our team that passes a CTE certification exam given through our coach generates $200 per certification. Common certifications include Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Autodesk Fusion 360, and much more. Despite having multiple different revenue streams, they all become useless if poorly managed. To combat this, we created an inventory list that allows us to keep track of what parts we need to order and what we have a surplus of. These lists are updated often and kept in our robotics room for easy accessibility. In addition, we create order lists with clear budgets that must be approved by multiple different people before being sent for purchasing. We are also always looking for new ways to save on money. One of the ways we did this was with the button press we purchased last year. When running the calculations, we determined that after 2 years, the button press would have paid for itself in the amount of buttons it produced for us, which would also be significantly cheaper than the third parties we used prior. The investments we have made, connections we have forged, and effort we have put in have all contributed to us having a successful business plan, which in turn resulted in a successful season. Team 10022 would like to wish all teams good luck throughout the rest of their season and in their future financial plans.